Welcome back to the Canva course, Become a Canva Qualified Professional, a detailed course on Canva. So today in this video session, what we are going to explore is how to invite a team when you are having a team version of the Canva. Team version of the Canva is a little bit costly affair, but still, let me tell you how to go about it. Again, go to Canva Business. When you see the business options opening up, under the features, you have this invite your team. Now you can go directly to this and invite your team. When you go for inviting your team, you will be given the option of the members of your company, and you have to just move here and click how many persons, that is up to 5 persons you can add on. So just click and then finally add and save it. So when you do this, the designs, when you make it, it can be seen by the team members so that they can also edit on it if you give permission to them. So this is how you can invite a team member to join Canva, and then together you all can create amazing content in Canva. So that's all about the team creation. Thank you for watching. I'll come back with yet another session on Canva.